Top of the hour, upset with the Maharashtra Assembly election results, senior Congress leader and MLC Bhai Jagtap went a step ahead, triggering a row by dubbing EC as a dog. Now the deputy leader of opposition in the Legislative Council has compared the country's poll body to a canine sitting outside the PM's residence, acting as his pet. He's also claimed that the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance won the election because of EVM tampering.
इलेक्शन कमीशन तो कुत्ता है, कुत्ता बनके नरेंद्र मोदी जी के बंगले के बाहर बैठते ये सारे जितनी भी एजेंसीज है जो हमारे लोकतंत्र को मजबूत बनाने के लिए बनाई गई है, दुर्भाग्य से उसका गलत इस्तेमाल करके आज पूरे देश में, महाराष्ट्र में ही नहीं पूरे देश में जो कांड हो रहे हैं, कांड में इसलिए शब्द इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं क्योंकि ये जो लोग इनके पास गए अभी मंत्री पद के लिए लड़ाई झगड़ा कर रहे, इनके ऊपर सारे लोगों के ऊपर इन्होंने आरोप तो रखा था, बस इनके पास गए फिर इनके धुलाई मशीन में वो क्लीन हो गए। ये सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, हर राज्य में ऐसा उन्होंने किया है, तो ये लोकतंत्र के लिए घातक है।
Now, on part of the BJP and its allies who are now calling this as evidence of Congress being listless and rattled after the recent successive poll routes, as the leaders from the ruling alliance have demanded an apology and have sought action against the MLC for insulting a constitutional body.
नहीं, अगर ऐसे वो बोलते हैं वो तो गलत है क्योंकि वो निवडणूक कमीशन का एक अलग सा आयोग है, उनको पूरा अधिकार दिया हुआ है और उसमें अगर कुछ आगे पीछे है ऐसा उनको लगता है तो उसमें रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस है। अगर ईवीएम में कुछ दिक्कत है ऐसा उनको लगता है तो कोई पैसा भरना चाहिए और वो जो रैंडमली ईवीएम मशीन चेक किया जाता है उसमें जाओ ना, उसमें से फाइनल हो जाएगा कौन सच्चा है कौन झूठा है, किसने ऐसा किया है वैसा किया है।
देखिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटी है तो उनको इनके खिलाफ एक्शन लेना चाहिए, यही एक इलाज है। नहीं तो कोई भी अगर इस तरह से बात करेंगे तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटी का जो एक दर्जा रहता है, उनकी एक अहमियत रहती है, वो नहीं बचेगी। तो इस पर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन वो ऐसे मुझे तो लगता है ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए। और भाई जगताप जी को मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूं तो उनसे ऐसे शब्द निकलना बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। इनको इसके बारे में इलेक्शन कमीशन की माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
महाराष्ट्र में जब कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनाव हार गई तो उस हार से उबर नहीं पा रही है। अब उस हार को कवर अप करने के लिए सदन नहीं चलने देना, अनर्गल आरोप लगाना। जनता, प्रजातंत्र में जनता मालिक होती है और जनता ने उनका फैसला दे दिया। बहुत उछल रहे थे तो अब बाहर में ऐसे ही उछलते रहने का कोई मतलब तो है नहीं।
Senior leader Bhai Jagtap has called the election commission a dog that sits outside Prime Minister's house. संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का अपमान, this is Congress's पहचान. Right from doubting the election commission and EVM in states where they lose, whether it's Haryana or Maharashtra, or whether it is abusing the judiciary, abusing election commission, disrespecting the president. Insulting constitutional institutions has become the pastime job of Congress party leaders. They talk about constitution, but they do Samvidhan ka apman. And when they win the election, EVM is fine. When they win the election, election commission is fine. In Karnataka and Telangana, they are fine. In Wayanad, they are fine. In Jammu Kashmir, Jharkhand. This shows that Congress party does not respect any constitutional authority.
Now, unfettered by such criticism that has been coming in, Bhai Jagtap remains defiant, refuses to apologize for his abusive rant.
हमने बिल्कुल नहीं माफी मांगेगी, जरा भी नहीं माफी मांगेगी। चुनाव आयोग ये कैसे कह सकता है कि ये जो वीवीपैट है, जिस मशीन के बारे में ये आया है, डाउट पैदा हुआ है, चुनाव आयोग ऐसे कैसे कह सकता है कि वो इरेज करेंगे? तो हमारा तो इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि वो इनके प्रधानमंत्री हो या जो भी नेताओं के दबाव में आके अगर वो काम कर रहा है तो बिल्कुल मेरा कहना सही है और बिल्कुल हम माफी नहीं मांगेंगे।
Meanwhile, Congress MLC's sentiments were also echoed by the party's top brass at the first meeting of the Congress Working Committee, or the CWC, to deliberate on its poor performances in Maharashtra and Haryana elections. Sources suggest that EVMs have once again been portrayed as the villains by many leaders, including Priyanka Gandhi and Digvijay Singh, who have batted for the return of ballot papers. However, Ajay Maken is said to have favoured matching of VVPATs. The party is also mulling on taking the issue nationwide.
There is no reason to get disheartened or panic. We must persevere with a renewed determination and resolve. Unity and discipline are called for now more than ever before. The CWC believes the integrity of the entire electoral process is being severely compromised. Free and fair election is a constitutional mandate that is being called into serious question by the partisan functioning of the Election Commission. Increasing sections of society are becoming frustrated and deeply apprehensive. The Congress will take this public concerns as a national movement.
All right, let's get in a word from Nyamika, who's joining us here on the broadcast. Nyamika, such kind of language that is being used against a constitutional body, of course, this has been the political discourse that have been often witnessed during elections. But what happens after that when one party faces defeat?
Well, in the past also we have seen that how all the opposition parties, the India bloc parties, were continuously targeting the Election Commission of India, as these were the allegations that they have continuously making upon the Election Commission of India.
Interrupting you, let's bring in Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP. Shehzad, such kind of political discourse have often been witnessed when there are personal takes and attacks that happen during the election season. What happens after a party loses elections? Because here the Congress party seems that EVMs and EVM tampering is behind it.
कांग्रेस की एक ही पहचान, करो संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का अपमान. दिस इज द कांग्रेस's natural trait. They have insulted judiciary, they have insulted Rashtrapati, now they are insulting Election Commission. Same Election Commission, when they get victory in Jharkhand, in Wayanad, in Jammu Kashmir, it is fine. Otherwise, it is called Kutta. So is this Mohabbat ki dukaan? Is this Samvidhan ka samman? Should Bhai Jagtap not be acted upon? Election Commission should also act. And where is Rahul Gandhi? Rahul Gandhi should tell us if this is as per the Constitution to call EC and other institutions as Kutta, or whether it is Mohabbat ki dukaan, or whether there will be action on this Nafrati Bhaijan.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla, thank you very much for joining in. As far as this is how the BJP is now raising the issue, seeking at least an apology on part of the leader of the Congress party, Nyamika, because this seems to be as far as the agenda which is said, because when questioned on the same issue, will he apologize? Bhai Jagtap said there is no reason to send an apology on the matter.
Well, indeed, it is a controversial remark, in fact, a derogatory remark which is being made on the part of the Congress leader, Bhai Jagtap, as he has compared the Election Commission of India with a dog, and the manner in which this kind of comment is coming in now, he is also, refusing to apologize over this entire matter. We have seen that how the BJP has started targeting the Congress party regarding this entire issue, because they are saying that on one side, the Congress party, speaks about the saving the Constitution of India. On the other side, it is their own leaders who are basically targeting the constitutional institutions of our country. The manner in which such kind of language, the foul language which is being used on the part of the Congress leader, is completely unacceptable, and that is the reason why, in fact, BJP has also filed a complaint regarding this entire matter. They are also seeking an apology on the part of Bhai Jagtap, but that has been completely denied on his part, as he has said that I haven't said anything wrong. The manner in which the opposition parties, the India bloc parties, are making statements against the Election Commission of India, they are basically questioning the entire electoral process. Yesterday also, during the CWC meeting, a resolution has been passed in which the Congress party has decided to take up this entire matter at a national level. A national protest is also going to be planned regarding this entire issue. But
they are abused by Bhai Jagtap. He refuses to apologize. The BJP is likely to take up the matter. And however, when it comes to the issue of EVMs, the Congress party has said that they would be raising the issue nationwide. BJP, on the other hand, is up the ante, saying that the Congress party is frustrated after repeatedly being rejected by the people of the country, and hence they are resorting to abuse.
Look, the Congress party today is getting increasingly frustrated because of the people of India repeatedly rejecting them. And when they are getting frustrated, they are resorting to abuse, they are resorting to lies, they are resorting to dividing the people. And so I do not blame this guy, this gentleman from Maharashtra Congress. He is essentially doing what Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are doing. Waive the constitution on one hand, but on the other hand, constantly violate, berate and put down India's values, India's constitutional values and violate them repeatedly.